Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I am revisiting designs that I have done over the years that are my absolute favourite. And the reason that this beautiful design is going to be shared today is because I was at the church, they were having a clean-up and somebody said, does anybody want these? And I said, well, if nobody wants them, I will have them. And it's gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. It's a boat kind of a vase that was very popular in the 50s and the 60s, and I just am so pleased that it's in my possession. Okay, I'm going to keep this with just some leaves and some berries and share just how quick and easy it is to bring something that looks, some botanicals from the outside, inside, that will last for weeks and weeks and weeks. Okay, I have these here, bromeliads. I love them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that there, and I've got this one here that I'm just going to put there. First, I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, should I change them around? Should I have that one to there or that one to there? No, I'm going to have that one because it's bending that way, and then put this one here so that it's a little bit taller. I have got these lovely leaves here, so I'm just going to bring these cordline leaves down and into there. I just want a little bit of weight or depth of colour on the other side, and I'm just thinking, do I need to use that one? No, I think that just those on their own are going to be perfect. Now I've got this. Oh, look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Ibex, I loved. Oh, well, we call it here the holly bush, but it's not actually a holly bush, but it's very delicious. I'm going to put that to there, and I'm going to bring that in and over to there. Now, when I look at that, I'm thinking to myself, is that too tall? Yes, I think it is, but what I'm finding is that is moving. So, moving, oh God, my finger's not working good. That can now go down into there. Ha ha! And now everything is holding together beautifully. Now I have these, and I have I'm not quite sure what they came off. I'm thinking maybe a clivia. I don't know. But they were beautiful berries that I saw, and I just thought, oh, I like you. So I'm going to bring that into there, and I'm going to bring this one down into there, like so, and then I've got a couple more of these. I love designing like this. This is what I call my clever kind of designing. Things that I found as I was wandering through life, or things from the garden that I can bring inside, and I can do something else with them. Oh, that's gone down a wee bit too slow, but look at that. Now, do I need to bring in some of these? No, I don't think I need to bring anything else into that. Now, this is what's going to happen. These are going to be the first to die off, so I will just remove those cordline leaves when they die off. Other thing is, these berries will dry, and when they dry and go off, I can take those out and I can have the lovely little stems here. These will go black, but it will take a long time for them to go black and to go off. But even when they do, I'm still going to be left with lovely branches. And the other thing that's really great is, because of the water is going to be in here, this is going to sprout, and then I can put it into the garden, and then I can get another crop of bromeliads growing. That is one of my favorite designs, and I've been doing things like this forever and ever and ever, and I just love them. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day. Bye for now.